Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this tutorial I will show you a blanket pattern, crochet easy front post puff stitch pattern, baby blanket. Tell me in the comment section which color is perfect for this blanket and which size do you making. Follow the pattern and make larger or smaller sizes. Let us start. I am using 500 gram a double knit medium weight 4-ply wool for this blanket. A double knit medium weight 4-ply wool, 4 double crochet 1 inch, 4 stitches with 1 inch, 4 mm G6 crochet hook I am using for this pattern. Let us start. Now make a chains 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 chains. Size 4 chains 1 inch 2.5 centimeter, 8 chains ribbing 2 inches 5 centimeter, 1 chain plus turning. This chain 1 skip and the second chain make a single crochet in the next chain 2, single crochet 3 4 5 6 7 8, single crochet 8, row 1 and row 2 chain 1. This chain 1 we count first stitch, skip this first single crochet, in the second single crochet back loop make a single crochet into back loop only, 8 stitches. Row 2 single crochet into back loop, chain 1 we count first stitch 1 2 3, single crochet into back loop only, front loop, and this is a back loop, single crochet 4 5 6 7 8, single crochet in each 8 stitches. In row 2 I have 8 single crochet stitches. Now repeat and follow row 2 for the pattern of ribbing. Chain 1, this chain 1 we count first stitch and skip this stitch, in the next stitch back loop single crochet 1 2, single crochet in the next stitch back loop 3, single crochet 4, single crochet 5, single crochet 6, single crochet 7, and into the chain back loop single crochet 8. I have chain 1 we count first stitch 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now repeat and follow the pattern row 2, 4 of single crochet row 1 inch 2.5 centimeter. Repeat and follow the same pattern. Size of ribbing 25 to 26 inches, 63 to 65 centimeter. In every row make a single crochet, chain 1, make a single crochet in the first stitch. In every row make 1 single crochet, 105 single crochet. You can make a chains 105 plus 1 chain and repeat the first row of single crochet. Single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in the next row, second row, make 105 single crochet, row 1, single crochet in every row, in the next row 4, make a single crochet, 104 and 105 single crochet in row 1. I have 105 single crochet stitches, 2 chains. These 2 chain we don't count. Make a double crochet in the first stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet, continue, make a double crochet in every stitch across, 105 double crochet. This is the pattern row 1. I have 105 stitches, double crochet, 104 double crochet, 105 double crochet in the pattern row 1. In the right side facing of this blanket, pattern row 2, 2 chains. In the same stitch make 1 double crochet, and in the next stitch make front post double crochet puff stitch 2 times. In the next double crochet. Okay, now complete a front post double crochet puff stitch. In the right side repeat the pattern, second row normal double crochet in the next stitch and front post double crochet puff stitch in the next double crochet post, yarn over and make again 2 times. Now I have 5 loops, drop 3 loops and then 2, front post double crochet puff stitch, continue across till the end. You will need odd number stitches for this pattern. I have 105 double crochet. Make front post double crochet puff stitch in the next double crochet and normal double crochet stitch in the next stitch, front post double crochet puff stitch, next double crochet post and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, right side facing. Repeat the pattern row 2. Continue the pattern cross to end. Okay, here in the right side facing a front post double crochet puff stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, front post double crochet puff stitch, and in the last double crochet stitch make 1 double crochet. Now from here repeat and follow for this blanket 2 row pattern. Repeat 1 of the double crochet row, in the wrong side repeat pattern row 1 a double crochet row, and in the right side facing make a front post double crochet puff stitch row. Now 2 chains, we don't count these 2 chain. In the wrong side double crochet in each stitch across, in 105 stitches. Odd number stitches you will need for this pattern. You can add more stitches or ribbing row for this pattern. Continue, make 1 double crochet in each stitch across in the wrong side. In the right side repeat the pattern row 2, 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the last stitch. I have 105 stitches. Now from here repeat a double crochet and front post double crochet row, 2 chains. In the right side repeat the second row, 1 double crochet in the first stitch and front post double crochet puff stitch in the next double crochet stitch, normal double crochet in the next stitch and front post double crochet puff stitch in the next post of double crochet stitch. Repeat 2 row pattern. You can add this pattern in the baby blanket, cardigan jacket or for baby jacket sweaters. Follow this pattern. Beautiful design. Repeat 2 row pattern. Continue for this blanket. Now from here repeat and follow the pattern row 2 and 3. Now 2 row count. I will show you how to increase the length of this blanket. You can make and repeat 2 row pattern. In the comment section, ask the question about the size of this blanket. Length ribbing 2 inches. At the end of the stitches, make a ribbing same and in the side. If you want to like more pattern for ribbing, repeat another patterns. I have 32 row 17 inches 43 centimeter. Increase the length of this blanket, then make a ribbing. I will show you how to make a ribbing in the side of the. I have length of the blanket 25 inches, 25 length, 25 width. Now I will show you how to make a ribbing. Chains the same 9. In the second chain single crochet and make 1 single crochet in each stitch. 8 single crochet. For ribbing, make a chains 9 and single crochet. Second chain 1 single crochet across. 8 single crochet. Now join with the slip stitch in the next single crochet stitch and 1 slip stitch in the next stitch. I have row 1. In the next row, row 2. For this blanket, repeat row 2 and 3. Now skip the 2 slip stitches. In the next 8 stitches, back loop 1 single crochet. Row 2, single crochet in each 8 stitches. Back loop across, make 1 single crochet. For the ribbing other side and for the 3 side, repeat the same work. 8 single crochet, chain 1 and turn work. This chain 1 we count first stitch, row 3 and make a single crochet in the next stitch, back loop. Chain 1 we count and the next 7 stitches make 1 single crochet into back loop across. Single crochet 8 stitches in row 3. Chain 1 we count first single crochet and then join this ribbing in the stitches, slip stitch in the next single crochet stitch and slip stitch in the next single crochet stitch. Then repeat the second row. For this ribbing, repeat row 2 and 3 for all side or follow another patterns. Thanks for watching.